Here is Unit 6 Food and Drink. The topic is Food and Drink. Unit 6 Lesson 1 Listen and Speak. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about food and drinking items, eating and drinking items. That means we are going to study about food and drink. Children who love eating and drinking will enjoy the lesson very much, okay? Let's move to the conversation. Here are three characters in this conversation. Auntie Sophie, her friend, and Uncle Steve. In this lesson, we will learn how to offer something for eat to our guests and friends. Dear students, Auntie Sophie and Uncle Steve live near the Bat family in Aston. Auntie Sophie is saying to her friend, "Thank you for driving me home. Will you come in for lunch?" आंटी सोफ़ी अपनी फ्रेंड से कहती है कि मुझे घर ड्रॉप करने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया, क्या आप लंच के लिए आएंगी? और फ्रेंड रिप्लाइज, थैंक यू, आई थिंक आई विल। बहुत शुक्रिया, मेरा ख्याल है मैं आऊँगी। सोफ़ी लेटर, विल यू स्टे फॉर अ कप ऑफ टी? आंटी सोफ़ी थोड़ी देर बाद कहती हैं कि क्या आप चाय के लिए रुकेंगी? फ्रेंड कहती है, वेल आई शुडंट बट आई विल। फ्रेंड कहती है कि खैर मुझे रुकना तो नहीं चाहिए पर मैं रुक सकती हूँ, रुकती हूँ चाय के लिए। सोफ़ी लेटर, विल यू हैव अनदर पीस ऑफ केक? आंटी सोफ़ी बाद में कहती है कि क्या आप केक का एक और पीस लेंगी? Friend replies, well, it's very good. Perhaps I'll have just one more. फ्रेंड कहती है कि हाँ ये बहुत अच्छा है, शायद मैं एक और लूँगी। Sophie later, will you stay for supper? आंटी सोफ़ी बाद में कहती है कि क्या आप रात के खाने के लिए रुकेंगी? स्टूडेंट्स, सपर मीन्स रात का खाना और perhaps means शायद. Okay, underline these words. Okay, friend replies, no, I won't, thank you. फ्रेंड कहती है नहीं बहुत शुक्रिया, मैं रात के खाने के लिए नहीं रुक सकती। फ्रेंड Sophie, good. Okay, you must come again. Sophie, Auntie Sophie replies, ठीक है, लेकिन आप दोबारा ज़रूर आइएगा। Friend, yes, I'd love that. Friend कहते हैं कि हाँ मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा। Later, Uncle Steve, थोड़ी देर बाद Uncle Steve कहते हैं, Sophie, there isn't any cake in the tin and there aren't any biscuits either. Sophie, tin में कोई केक नहीं है और ना ही कोई बिस्किट्स हैं। Sophie, I'm sorry, my visitor stayed for lunch then tea and she nearly stayed for supper. माफ़ कीजिएगा, मेरी एक दोस्त आई थी, वो लंच के लिए रुकी, फिर चाय के लिए और तकरीबन वो रात के खाने तक यहीं थी। Students, underline these sentences in which Auntie Sophie offers food to her friend. Like, will you stay for a cup of tea? Will you have another piece of cake? Will you stay for supper? Underline these sentences. Now come to the book page number 27, Unit 6, Lesson 2, Exercise 1. Make phrases from the picture. Now first complete the words. Complete these words along with these pictures. For example, a piece of cake. Here is a picture given, cake's picture. Okay, here is the picture of slice. Now write down of bread. Okay, a slice of bread. A piece of cake. A bar of chocolate. Write of cake, of bread, of chocolate, of water. Here bunch of bananas. Okay, a pack of crisps, a bottle of cola, a sack of rice. Okay, dear students, it is your homework to make 4 sentences using these food items. Like this, for example, will you have a piece of cake? Will you have another slice of bread? You have to make 4 sentences using any of these food items. and write that on your notebook and send me a picture. Write 4 sentences like this. Will you have a piece of cake? Will you have another slice of bread? Will you drink a glass of water? Will you drink cola? Will you have crisps? So, read the conversation very carefully and make sentences like this. Write this on your notebook with neat and clean writing. I'll be back with the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.